The Students' Union today for the rights that is given by the Constitution of India by keeping intact the spirit of 6th schedule, the Bodo National Students' Union, on behalf of the people, we are demanding 75 reservation seats in all the government jobs, as well as we are demanding 75% reservation of seats in all the admissions in all the education institutions, as well as we are demanding appointment to the TET qualified teachers, because in BTC there is no any arrangement of providing appointment to the past TET qualified teachers. The other parts of Assam, they have already distributed their appointments, and we are also demanding what you call this eviction in BTC 6th schedule. There is an eviction to the indigenous tribal people, and we are appealing to the government, especially the promote government, BTC government, to stop the indigenous people from eviction. Instead, resettle them, because they are indigenous sons of the soils of Assam. Instead, they should evict the illegal immigrants, those who are staying, because the High Court has already ordered lakhs of acres of land, but they didn't do anything. So ultimately, the honorable CM of BTC, they have failed. They are a failure to protect the rights of the indigenous people. And through this memorandum, we are also demanding to stop the extrajudicial killings, the fake encounter. After which-year peace agreement, we have seen loads of Bodo youths. They have been killed in the name of encounter. They have been killed as regarded as thieves, like dacoits, like drugs dealers, so and so on, from the Zonog and Jangsar. Still they didn't get any justice. The people behind killing that, those police officers, they are not even arrested, and now many were killed. And last recently, one measure in Udalguri, he is killed by the police department. He is killed intentionally. The culprit is another person, but he is killed, the innocent person. And still the government is not providing any justice. And so, the bonsu, Bodo National Students' Union, will not compromise this. Our members, our leaders, they are taking initiatives. Those people who kill Dimbeshwar Boro, they will not spare. Whether he is from police department or any political leaders or any else or something else, they should be booked to law. Justice should be prevail. Now they are some government, they are totally failure. They fail to give security to the people, especially to the indigenous people. So they are totally failure. Not only the state government, even the BTC government, promote-led Honorable CM of Promote Boros, led government is also total failure. They fail to provide security to the people, and they fail to provide, what you call a sense of understandings between, like the government and the general publics. So we are demanding all this, the demand, so that the peace may prevail here. And in the question of, since which year agreement now, it is 3 years, there is no any arrangement of jobs. There is no recruitments. We don't have any central selection board. So that is why we are appealing to the government. Please, do justice, spares for us, for the people of BTC, for the indigenous people, so that people may get employment. Thank you.